Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this moisturizing winter body scrub for super dry skin. Enjoy! So here I have my mini setup, and in terms of equipment, you're going to need 2 bowls, and I chose to make one clear for the purpose of today's video. An empty jar will serve as a container for your scrub. You'll need some measuring and mixing utensils, and I chose to go for disposable ones because honey, I am not about that dishwashing life after this. For ingredients, you'll need some sugar. You can go with brown sugar. I chose white because I wanted to add some color to my scrub. You'll also need some food coloring, and I chose the color green. This is optional, but I chose to add raw honey in order to give my scrub that antibacterial kick. Now this coconut oil is the star of the show. It just feels like royalty on the skin, and I went with the odorless one because I will be using it on my body. And of course some Vicks Vapor Rub because this is a winter scrub. Another favorite of mine is this Palmer's moisturizing body oil. Honey, all that vitamin E is needed. Some tissue oil to help with stretch marks. And then this anti-aging coconut face oil, which is another favorite. So guys, of course, you know, with this pandemic, we need to sanitize. To start off, we need to measure the amount of sugar we'll need, and I used the empty jar as a guideline because this is where the scrub will be contained. After pouring that sugar into the clear mixing bowl, I went ahead and added 3 drops of the food coloring. Using that plastic spoon, I'm going to mix the food coloring and the sugar well together. I'm also going to go in with my hands because I want to make sure that all the sugar granules are coated with food coloring. In the second mixing bowl, I'm going to add 3 scoops of the coconut oil. And then I'll go ahead and add 2 spoons of honey. I'm going to heat this mixture in the microwave for 2 minutes. And this is the result, which is perfect because the honey has settled at the bottom of the bowl, and we're not going to be adding any honey to the scrub. We just want to benefit from its antibacterial properties. Now we're going to add the oil into the sugar, a scoop at a time, and we're going to mix that together. Add some more oil until we achieve the perfect consistency. You want your scrub to be a bit runny at the beginning because the oil does harden as it cools, which will give your scrub a crumbly texture at the end. And now we scoop everything from the mixing bowl into the jar. And the scrub smells so divine already as I'm just scooping it into the jar like you guys. I'm going to add a ribbon around the jar, and this is of course optional. And there you have it, our pretty, minty, moisturizing, buttery body scrub. You guys, it smells so divine. Just that mix of mint and cocoa butter and coconut is everything. So I went ahead and tried the scrub on a patch of my skin, and you guys, look at this. My skin is glowing. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch up with you in all my other videos. Salute.